Hello my friends, welcome to Code Guy channel. This is video about workshop build a string formatter. Step 1. We need to define variable user input. And assign it to the string hello world with saving all the empty spaces in the beginning and end of the string. Step 2. Console log original input. Step 3. Console log user input. Step 4. Define variable cleaned input. Use the trim method on a user input variable. It will help to get rid of empty spaces at both ends of the string. Step 5. Console log result of trimming white spaces from both ends, and then console log cleaned input. Step 6. Here we are practicing to use trimmed start method. Use this method on user input and assign it to the variable trimmed start. Step 7. Make two console logs. First, after using the trim start method, leaving spaces removed, and second one, console log trim start. Step 8. Define variable trimmed end. Use trimmed end method on a user input variable. Step 9. Use console log to console the sentence after using the trim end method, trailing spaces removed, and then console log trimmed end. Step 10. Here we are studying what uppercase method does. Define variable uppercase input and then use it on cleaned input to uppercase. Step 11. Make two console logs. First, result of using to uppercase method, and then console log uppercase input. Step 12. Here we are trying to lowercase method. First of all, we need to define variable lowercase input and assign it to the variable clean input with using lowercase method. Then make two console logs, first provided sentence and then lowercase input. Step 13. I suppose we need to study what is camel case notation. Writing with camel case, it means that you are writing every new word in the name of the variable from uppercase letter. You probably already know that you are not allowed to make white spaces in the name of the variable. And there are ways how you can make your variable readable. One of them is camel case. First of all, define a variable lowercase word camel case. Create variable camel case version with empty string. Console log camel case version, and then console log the variable camel case version. Step 14. Delete the empty string from lowercase version variable. Then use slice method on lowercase word. Slice it from 0 to 5. It will return you substring camel. Step 15. Here we will use concatenation. We need to concatenate of result using to uppercase method on a lowercase word with index 5. It is our letter C. You probably remember that end of the slice method, our index 5, is not included. It means the method will slice the word until index 5. And finally, step 16. We need to add to our concatenated word the last three letters. Let's slice our string with -3. That's it, we are done. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.